friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to draw lines in DaVinci Resolve 19. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just simply put a video here on this timeline, right? And this is a video, right? Now to draw a line, right, it's very easy. All you have to do is just ensure that you click on effects on the upper left hand side, and then you want to click on generators, and you want to scroll through the list and find solid colors, right, or solid color. You want to drag this onto your timeline. So if you don't have another video truck, you can always go ahead and add another truck. It's very easy. All you have to do is just right click on any one of those trucks and you can add trucks, right? So now that you see that I have this onto my timeline here, guys, it's very easy to easily create that line once you do that. So you want to click on that solid color that you have, and you want to go ahead and click on inspect on the upper right hand side. Now once you click on inspect, you have two options here. You have the settings and you have the generator. So for the generator, you can go ahead and you can change the color. So you can click on color and you can choose whatever you want. So let's say I would like to choose this, let's say reddish color right here. I can click on it and then click on OK. So there is the red color. Now what I can do now is just go back to settings here, and I can go ahead and start cropping that. So let's ensure that my over the red line here on this timeline, and you want to start cropping. So you want to start crop from the top to the right, or from the left. You want to start cropping the way how you want it. So let's say I want to start cropping this line from the top to the bottom. I can simply go ahead and start dragging this, and as you can see, I have it. I start to drag this to the top, right? So let's say I would like this line. I'm gonna make this line, let's say, cut in between the guy, right? Something like that, right? Let's say I want to make the line right here. I can do that, and I can do the same thing here, right? Let's say I want to do it like that. Or if I would like to do it the other side, let's make it even better. I can start to crop it to the left. So I can do something like this. I can make this line right here, and I can make it like here, right? You need to manage how thick you want that line. So let's say I want it like this. And once you do this, in fact, you can always go ahead and move it to whichever side you want. So let's say now I have it right here. I can go ahead and use the X and the Y axis to move this line how I want. So I can move this to the Y. I can put it towards this side, or I can do it towards that side as well, right? So you can choose how you want, right? So let's say I would like to put it here, so I can put it right here. And also you can make it shorter as well. So let's say I would like to make it I would like to crop the top and the bottom. I don't want it to be all across. I can do that as well. So I can do this, make it shorter like that. And now you will see how you can easily you can easily use the X and the Y axis to move it better. See, you can do it just like that. So it's really up to you. You can put it like that, and you can go to the Y axis as well and move it up and down. It's really up to you. And that's it, guys. I really hope that you found some value here in this video, guys, how you can go ahead and create lines in DaVinci Resolve 19. Very easy and very simple, guys. Give this video a like if you found value, and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to learn more about DaVinci Resolve. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.